What's up, everybody? I'm back and I got another unboxing to do. I got the Low Pro FX trimmers and the clippers. I have them on the limited edition. I believe this is a khaki or sandstorm color, with an addition with these two, the battery and the battery charger port. So let's get into it. Let's do the trimmer first. So I got the low profile Babyliss FX trimmers. Let's open these bad boys up. Now, the difference between these and the other ones that I've been doing reviews about is they have a battery that you plug in, and it does not come with a charger, it does not come with a battery, and it does not come with a USB. So you have to buy all that separately. Babyliss is now doing things where they don't want to even have cables. You just have extra batteries and you plug them in. So what I like about these is obviously the colorway. The Low Pros I kind of slept on for a long time. I have some trimmers that are the chameleons. I'm doing a review on these and I've already used them the week before just to test them out. These are up against my JRLs and these work just as fine. I really like these. These are really dope. A cool thing about it is it has a button back here. So it drops the battery out. You can click the battery at the bottom and it shows you how much % of the battery it has. But overall, it has a thumb groove like the other 360 Jeezy ones that we did a review on and the Low Pros. It has the hand placement in the back, and it has a bunch of little markings right here. I hope you can see. I think it's just for grooves. And then it has a fade blade, but the fade blade isn't a regular fade blade. It like goes in S's. Now, these are the first colorway. I was just told that these did come with a battery charger, and it came with, what did it come with?
One of the batteries.
It came with one of the batteries. Now, the one that I have is a limited edition. So this does not come with the battery. It even says, tool only, battery and charger sold separately. So I believe just because this is a limited edition, they didn't come with that. I see how they get you guys. Overall, I'm not mad at it. You know, I like the colorway. I can spare a couple dollars to get the charger, but this is the first one of the first ones, colorways. It comes with a red button. They look super similar. Oh, thank you. Yeah, see? So if you can see right here, it has the charger port and the battery right here. Hey, this is really cool. So this is way different than this box. Comparison, limited edition, not limited edition. The not limited edition though comes with the battery and the charging port. This doesn't, the trimmer and the clipper. Be mindful of that. Now that I show you the clipper, I now have the Low Pro FX trimmers in the same colorway, the limited edition. They do not come together. These clippers come separate. I don't know why they did that. I know there's different colors that do come in pairs and all that like that, but I guess they didn't want to do it that way. I have not used these yet. I have the same trimmer, just that it connects to the cable like a charger. It doesn't have the charging port. I did zero gap them. They are pretty sick. I like the colorway a lot. What I do like about it, it has the, where is it? The N1 brushless motor. So what that means is there's a pivot inside, and when it goes in a circle, the blades go back and forth, but it has a smoother transition. So if there's hair or gunk, it's not just click, 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 click. It goes all the way in a full circle. You have the button back here to press it. The battery pops out. The grooves again, like the new Pros, the Low Pros. Let me get you a comparison so you can see the difference. So this is the comparison. As you can see, it has a charging port right here. You turn it on, it has a blue light. With this one, it does not have that. You have to get the battery. The battery is a lithium battery. It is sold separately. So each clipper, this trimmer and the other clipper that I just showed you, I need 2 batteries for each one, or 1 battery for each one. They say that they last a little bit longer with these compared to these. But overall, I'm very excited to use these. I have not used these yet. All I've done is zero gap them. So let's get into it so you can see a better view on them. So this is the battery. I already charged it before I got here. That's what it looks like. FX1, lithium, powered. Arrow goes to the arrow. Push it in. You can press this to see the battery life. Eject it right here, and it comes out. Let's turn these bad boys on. I like the detail with the screw. It's the same color as the clipper. Here's the groove so you can see the grooves. Let's see. Right there. Now this clipper has 680 RPMs per second. So the motor's going pretty fast. It has 13,600 SPMs, long life, 5-position locking, stretched taper level. So it's these little grooves right here. If you're a new time barber, I suggest you get these so you don't get lost and you can go step by step. You can see the thumb placement. It has the black metal fade blade. Grooves right here. Overall, I really like this clipper. Now with these, they have the built-in oil reservoirs. So it means that all these little grooves right here, the oil goes in and keeps it nice and oiled. They're zero gap adjustable, so you can get them as close. I did not zero gap these. I did them right before, but they're super close. And it has a low blade temperature, so it doesn't heat up as fast as the other blades do. Here's a better look of the trimmers with the battery. Put in again. See the battery life. Now I like these because they have a 3-hour charge time. It runs for 3 hours. I don't leave them on the whole time I'm cutting. Every time I stop cutting the client, I turn them off and I turn them on. They do have the ergonomic grip. So it has a thumb placement. It has all this. This is more of the low profile metal shield cover that all of them have. These also do have naturally lubricated, so you don't need as much oil as the other ones, but they do hit. It has dual bearings for more efficiency. Another 6,800 RPMs. These are just about the same. 13,600 SPM, long life. So these things will go through bulk. These things, it also has the graphite blade. I haven't used the graphite blade in a long time. I've been using the Chameleon or the blue blade from Babyliss, but overall these clippers are dope. I'm gonna put you on my YouTube channel, okay?
Okay.
Babyliss. Your hair was long, bro.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Ooh.
I'm just tell him, move it. What?
Tell him it's 50 a cut.
You can come right now? Yeah. I'm charging 50 in the shop, bro. Dude. What's good? Yeah. Unless you can come right now, bro. Hmm?
It's okay.
You just got out of work? Hold up. Hold up. You didn't even let me try it, dude. It's good. Yeah, cool. Yeah, but hold up. Three. Yeah. What? Yeah. Estoy pusiendo la chata, bro. ¿No lo recuerdo? I do love it. Oh, is that for the video?
Yeah.
No, I don't know if nerves, but like, I can say that it is
I don't know how that phone hasn't broken. Are these sharp? Boss? Now they're cool?
Yo, it's cool. I put in the Xbox break.
It was good. Start. Look up for me, boss. There you go.
All right, y'all, I just did the unboxing and the clipper review. Overall, I like this a lot. I can see this being one of my dailies, even past the JRLs. I think these are hand in hand. These do last longer though. So I give these a 9 out of 10. The graphite blade did not hit. I zero gapped them. I lined up my client. I had to go back and use my hitters. So I give these an 8 out of 10. Maybe I'll change the blade. Overall, I like the color. But yeah, that's the video. That's the unboxing, the clipper review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for fucking with me.